Hi everyone. Come on in the house with me today. It's too cold to be outside today. Rooted in nature, nurturing simplicity and intentional living is a perspective that takes the Mother Earth into consideration when living, like growing as much of my own food or buying it locally when possible, and being aware that I am a part of this Mother Earth and that my actions affect her just as much as she affects me. And so in that awareness, I've learned that chemicals are not a necessary part of running a household. And one of the most essential parts of keeping a house clean is vinegar. And here, what I've learned to do is take pine needles and put them in a quart jar and then pour vinegar over them and let that sit for a month, and then strain that after a month and use this as my cleaning essential for my kitchen and my floors and my bathroom. And I know with the cost of food nowadays, it's difficult sometimes to even think about buying beef, but I do support my local farmer. And I think the more we support our local farmers, the more the local farmers will be able to support us. Have you ever had homemade corn tortillas? Well, to me, they're like a little slice of heaven. So I always prefer to buy the ground up corn that's called masa and turn it into homemade tortillas. And that bag of masa will make about 42 tortillas and cost me about $4. So I can make a jar of salsa for, well, probably cost me a couple of dollars compared to buying a jar that costs $5. And I cook most of our meals, so this kitchen gets used a lot. And so I like to clean it every weekend using vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. And it's so satisfying to spend the few dollars on such simple cleaning items and know that I'm not harming the earth and I'm killing bacteria in my kitchen, keeping it sanitized for everyday use. So this pretty white sink is at least 25 years old, and I use vinegar on it daily, and then once a week baking soda and lemon to brighten it up. So this is a self-cleaning oven, and I'm cleaning it just to show you how using simple lemon juice and vinegar and baking soda can pull off the baked on grease. If you saw that fizziness occur, that was the lemon juice and baking soda poured on that, and I scrubbed it. I didn't have to use that much elbow grease even, and look at how it comes out so pretty without using anything that's caustic or harmful to the environment. And that glass on that oven door was black when I started. And it maybe took me 10 minutes to clean. And when I'm in the mood to clean, it's so satisfying just using those simple cleaning products. With the overuse of single-use plastic products, I have found that there's biodegradable plastic trash bags that are just as sturdy, and they're a little bit more expensive, but I save money in other ways so that I can prioritize this part of my life. This is a shark that I purchased because it makes my job easier, number one. But number two, I can reuse the floor cleaning mats. I use both sides. And then when I'm done, they go right in the washing machine. And again, the only cleaning products that I use for my floor are baking soda, lemon, and vinegar, and Murphy's oil soap. But here I have a stubborn stain. It's right in front of the refrigerator, and the lemon and baking soda worked wonderfully to whiten that part of the tile. So I found this company called Grove Collaborative, and they sell cleaning products that are earth friendly. And so I happened the other night to get their box of cleaning supplies and thought I'd show you what I got. And the reason that I went with them was because they can provide soap products that are plastic free.
Cold. But as we get overnight tonight, it will likely feel even colder, dropping down into the feels like of the negatives all the way down to the coastline.